What's going on, YouTube? Today, it's all about the Miata. Well, kinda. Just lied. I'm finna be picking up wheels later. It is now 9:50. I'm gonna be picking up wheels probably around like 1. So, just wanna come out here and put these new bolts on. Yep. Because mine are currently snapping and backing off. Let me move my turbo light. Fuck. One already snapped, and then these like to back out. And I have no more gaskets. I also ordered a gasket right here. So yeah, I'm gonna start taking off these bolts and just try to, I might take off the intercooler pipe. Yeah. That way I can slide the turbo over and probably slide the bolts into the turbo and then push the turbo up against the manifold, bolt it down. So yeah, I'm gonna start taking that off, and then I'll just pick up the camera whenever I get to a point that's worth filming, I reckon. See ya. Well, here's an update. Turbo's almost all the way off. I put one of the new bolts in there just to hold it, but I'm fighting this one. It's on the bottom. Yeah, you can kind of see that I almost got it all the way off. It's yeah, it's fighting the fuck out of me. So it's like on the last 3 threads and it doesn't want to come off. Took the hood off for better lighting, and yeah, so hopefully I can get this fucking bolt off. Every other one's off. So yeah, I'll I guess update you when the turbo's off, and I can put on the new gasket, take out the old stud, and I might change some studs off of the downpipe too. Take those off and put bolts like I got on the top. So yeah, whenever we get that shit off, let's do YouTube magic. Ready? YouTube magic. Just like that, turbo is off. Also took some the studs out of the back of the turbo. I left one because I'm using one nut. But I'm about to put these bolts in there with some lock washers. I got some other washers over there in the bag I gotta grab out. But yeah, I'm finna start throwing it back together. Gotta put the new gasket on. Nothing left in my old one. Yeah. So I guess I'll just YouTube this one too, back together. Well, it's back on for the most part. I got one, stopping bolt there. I got 2 on this side, and come to find out, you can't even put them on this side because it's too close to the exhaust housing right here. So the bolt just won't reach on top, which doesn't matter because the bolt, I still have a snap stud in there, but it doesn't. It's not even close to the bottom. Like, I cut this bolt to try to, like, it'll fit up here, and if I could, it'd have like 2 threads in there. But like on the bottom, this thing does not fit in there. It's like just hitting. So if I go any smaller, probably, yeah, like maybe I'm gonna try to go smaller. See how close it is. Yeah, it doesn't even. I really have to cut the bolt in half from here. Probably wouldn't even work. I guess I'm gonna try it like this, and then if that gives me any problems, then I'm gonna attempt to put a bolt in the back. But fuck it, if it'll hold. It don't look like that'll hold, but it looks like it's gonna leak on the side. It's pretty tight on this side compared to the other side. But fuck it, we ball. We try it. All we can do is try, I guess. Alright, and just like that, it's all back together. I got this bungee cord here to hold it from rubbing on my power steering right there. Felt a groove in the boot, so it's been rubbing for a minute. And then I just put this back up because it was dangling. I got a new AN fitting. Let's see. It's off Amazon or whatever. But yeah, catch can, turbo blanket, and then this. I'm not gonna put the hood back on yet because that bitch is heavy for one person. I'm gonna finish buttoning it up, and then we'll get probably into driving it. Yeah, go take out a test drive. Now you probably can't hear me, but the exhaust is leaking a little bit. Damn it, you can't see it. But anyway, I can feel some air coming through, and it was like a little wet. So, but hell, we're gonna go take it on a ride. Turbo blanket, so hopefully it's another. That sucks AF. Damn, Brad's smoking. Oh, it fucking burned right through that gasket.
You got any starting fluid out here, or carburetor clean? Carburetor clean be fine.
Yeah, a little bit of it. That's all I got. That's all I got. That's all I got. Bruh. $10 gasket, gone 5 minutes. That fucking blows. That fucking blows. So, the stud I took out of that one was this one, and it's like stripped. The threads are stripped. Man, damn. I guess I'm gonna lay the hood on top of the car so it doesn't get all fucking fucked up by the wind blowing off the chair, and then we'll just spawn in my other car going to get the wheels. So I'll see you then. Doing a lot at once.
Oh shit! That's a bead! That's a fucking bead! It's a shitty one, but it's a fucking bead.
It's a different day, next day, and I got the wheels, because, you know, last thing I was saying is I was getting wheels. It's on the car right now. I'll show you that whenever we get to where we're going. But right now we're going to a pick and pull about an hour away. We got Levi and Cameron behind us in the Z. Yeah, so probably get some rollers and whatnot along the way, and so I'll see you there. We made it to the junkyard. They don't have any preludes, but we're gonna look for Civics and it's 350Z.
And if they got CRVs, I can use CRV actions. True. I like it.
Just come back to when we find what we go looking for. So boom, this is the car on the wheels. Yep. We didn't find anything good at the freaking pick and pull part. Pick and pull. Yeah. Didn't find nothing good there, so we just went home. And my mom is about to surprise me with our birthday present. It's not my birthday yet, but and yeah, gonna go lay down.